First of all, we will draw the boundaries on upper jaw. After that, adjust the wax on upper and lower jaw. Remove the extra wax from upper and lower jaw. Note excess wax available on maxilla and mandible. Before starting the trial, we will tighten the articulator screw. Now provide the heat to dental knife for the purpose of softening the dental wax. Now apply the upper right central incisor. Now we will apply the upper left central incisor. Align both teeth. Now we will apply the upper right lateral incisor. The incisal edge of the lateral incisor should not touch the slide. Soften the wax. Now we will apply the upper lateral incisor. The incisal edge of the lateral incisor should not touch the slide. Now we will apply the upper left canine. The incisal edge of the upper left canine should touches the slide and canine should tilt it towards the lateral incisor. Now we will apply the upper left first premolar. Now adjust the premolar. Now we will apply the upper right canine. Check the relations of all teeth. Now we will apply the mandibular teeth. Firstly, we will apply the mandibular right premolar and molars one by one. Check the upper and lower tooth relations. Now apply the upper right first and second molar. Correct the upper and lower tooth relations. Viewers, you can see our teeth setup, right maxillary and mandibular side is completed. Now we will apply the mandibular left lower molars. Finally, we will apply the upper left molars. Viewers, finally you can see our partial denture setup of teeth is completed. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.